Now let's do a worksheet together. This worksheet is going to help you choose your affiliate niche.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Don't worry, you don't have to stick with this niche forever. It's just to help you begin taking action. And we're going to build on this because later we're going to take your niche and we're going to start looking for affiliate products in your niche. And then we're going to start looking into how we can sell those affiliate products. So first is your niche, and we're going to do a little worksheet. I have a little worksheet for you. And first, I'm going to walk you, I have 2 examples for you. So I'm going to walk you through the examples I created for you to make it really easy for you. Now, let's take a $1 billion niche, travel. The great thing about travel is it's fun, it's amazing. There's few people who don't like it, almost everybody loves it. But the problem is it's super, super competitive. It's very difficult to get into. So we need to choose a sub-niche, a niche within the niche. Within the industry. So we're going to choose, for example, backpacking travel. So this is a small segment of all travel, but it actually is still a very large niche. Backpacking is tremendous. So we have to go even narrower. And by the way, you can always grow bigger. It doesn't mean you have to always stay narrow, but in the beginning, it's easier to start small and build up instead of starting big and getting lost. So we're still going to try to start small. And so the sub niche is the backpacking in, I chose a region only in California. Now there's a few destinations in California where it's really popular to go backpacking, and there's a lot of travel around that. And it's still a multi-million, maybe even $1 billion a year industry that has a lot of money to be made there. But guess what? Your competition in this niche is going to be minimal, and you're going to be able to compete even if you're new. See, that's the beauty of it. Now let's do another example: cooking or food preparation. So we're the $1 billion niche is food preparation, all kinds of food preparation. It's huge. Our sub niche is going to be baking. Guess what? Baking is still huge. Okay, let's go sub niche, baking pastries. Guess what? It's still a huge niche. And then guess what? Even if I go sub niche, baking French pastries, oh my God, it's still a tremendous niche. And it might even be too big at that point, but you see how basically we're going narrower. Now, what happens? In California travel or French pastries, there is a more specific group that is going to enjoy your content, your postings a lot more, and they're going to be much more likely to click on things you promote because they're so specific, and you'll be selling them products that are specific for their needs. And it's going to be easy for you to target them online and create content and find where they hang out on which Facebook groups or other social communities online. It's going to be easier for you to find them, and your links are going to be more attractive to them. So it's going to be easier to promote. So now to finish the worksheet, please, whatever you are doing, either it's automotive industry, or maybe you like military or sports or whatever you like, or politics, pick it here and then go sub niche and then go another sub niche. We're going to use that to later pick your products and promote. So, and again, don't worry, you can change it at any time, but this is my way of trying to make you take action so that you don't finish the course and you say, well, I still haven't started. So please start.